day of air heritage today. Turn your eyes now to the right, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome our next crew. That is and Captain Michael. There's flying today.
There's someone in the back.
Demonstration. Joining me on deck right now is Captain King. He's a United States Marine Corps captain, and he's There's the 4G turret you were talking about. Of course, the crew chiefs are in the back right now. Staff Sergeant Morris and Private First Class Bechtel. They're in for quite a ride back there.